G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you all going? Now I haven't made this video for a long time. Now what we're going to be doing is drying some red chilies. Now these are green chilies which turn red. I've only got 5 of 3 bushes today, which is kind of annoying, but if I leave them to stay on there longer they'll start withering on the bush, and I don't want that. The green chilies are still growing, and I've probably got at least another 20, maybe up to 50 more chilies at least growing, and they'll flower also, so the bees will come to it and pollinate it again and make more chilies for us. But I'll have to wait till they start turning red, and I'll try to get as much as I can turn red at any given one time. But drying these by themselves is really not really what you call it, economical. Yeah, they can dry. They'll dry overnight, but I'm still using electricity just to dry 5 chilies. So we've got this other bush that I bought a while ago, and it's a curry plant. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to dry the curry leaves off this one, right? This plant, it smells nice, tastes nice. You can use the fresh stuff, which is really good for you and stuff like that. That's what it looks like there. I've taken off some of the bottom leaves of it, so we'll put that there, and I've taken off some more. But what I want to try to do is make my own curry powder. So I've kept them on this stem because it's the easiest way to do it, instead of plucking each individual one off and putting it down there and stuff like that. So what we want to try to do is dry all this, right, and make our own curry powder. It has a really unique smell to it, has a really unique taste to it, and so we can have chili powder from the chilies, and we now can have curry powder from the leaves of the curry tree. Like, this is a really big one that grows up, like when it gets bigger. But when that gets bigger, the curry plant, I'll just every now and then trim it to keep it the size I want it to keep it. I recommend it can grow full sun. Height is up to 4 meters and width is 4 meters. Great for pots, well drained soil. So what I'm going to do is keep this well watered, keep it in the sun, follow instructions and keep it in a pot so I can control the exact height and width and what I want to use. Like, I'll use the fresh stuff for soups, Mum uses it for that and other meals, but what I'm going to try to do is dry this, eventually grind it all up into powder, and then we'll go from there. Now there's a little bug on that. I checked every other one, don't want any bugs on there. Yep, that's fine. But yeah, and as before, it has a beautiful smell, beautiful taste, and we're going to basically dry these, make my own curry powder, and see how that goes. Anyway, you all have a great day now. I'm going to throw this on the dryer and let it go overnight. So the chilies and the curry is going to smell the whole top of the house out with curry and chili fragrance. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.